government college, private, NIT, IIT, triple IT, JFA, the college through class 12. Management quota colleges, if you want to pay more and get the seat. So hi friends, this is Amit and you are at my channel Information and Educational Video. So here I am going to provide you the complete college information for 2023. If you have got very bad rank or not good rank in the JEE mains examination, no need to worry. If you haven't got good result in other entrance exam, also no need to worry. Here I will be considering all type of college that you can get in 2023. That is government college, private, NIT, IIT, triple IT, JFA. What will be the safe score for that? Everything I am going to discuss. That is up to which rank you will able to get those colleges. All category wise I will be providing you, and also on based on 12th. That is, I will be providing you the information based on 12th. You can get the direct admission without any entrance exam as well. So if you're first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel so that you will be getting everything up to admission is done. So hope you all will get the college. So no need to worry, there are lots of college. Just you need to keep the patience, because once you take the admission in a hurry, you may have to regret later, because it is all about your career. Once you take the right decision or you do take admission in wrong colleges, you may have to face the problem. So that's why I'm going to provide you complete information here. So let's get it started with the video. That is private college at low JEE score, that is at very high rank you will able to get Shiv Nadar, UPES, WBJE. Low fee colleges you will be getting in through WBJE. That is, there will be separate counseling for JEE score as well in WBJE counseling. And graphics era OJE will be also having lots of college, that is low budget college in Odisha. LPU also there, Chitkara University, Galgotia, Amity, Bennett, and MIT WPU as well. That is available at very low JEE score. No need to worry. Here I would like to inform you about my complete mentorship and guidance program that I am providing for all type of college across India. Whatever I will provide you the video, that is information in this video, you will be getting the information in my next section of the video. So please try to watch it carefully what I will do for you with a nominal charge. Here I will introduce about my complete counseling guidance and mentorship that I am doing from last 5 years. Over 5,000 students already guided by me for all type of college across India. That is NIT, triple IT, GFI, top private college like BITSAT, VIT, AEEE, COMEDK, Manipal, SRM, LPU, MST, colleges counseling, as well as Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh. Every type of counseling I've already done. You will get personalized choice filling order for each type of counseling. But no matter how many counseling will do, there is a nominal charge for that. That is 1-to-1 complete mentorship will be available. You can talk to me, you can text me any number of time whenever you want until you get into the college, because it is all about your career. There can't be a one PDF of choice filling that will be your counseling. There should be a complete discussion. Everything should be balanced, because we'll get the best college with best possible branch. That's what I can assure you. If you want, you can contact me. So this was about my counseling and mentorship guidance. Hope you will provide me the responsibility to provide you the best college with best possible branch. So hope you get the complete information about my complete guidance about all type of college across India. So let me proceed with the private college at good score, because some of the student wants to get the private college even if they have got the good score in JEE mains, because those are very good colleges as comparable of IITs. So Amrita is there, Dhirubhai Ambani College is there, LMNIT is there, Thapar University, Nirma, JP Noida, Pune College of Engineering, VJTI Mumbai. These are the very famous college of India. You will able to get it through JEE result as well. Now if you talk about the major counseling that is other than JOSA and CSAB, because in JOSA and CSAB you will be doing based on JEE, but other counseling also there are that you can do based on JEE, that is MST, WBJE, but COMEDK will be done based on COMEDK rank. If you are appearing in COMEDK exam, you can do that counseling as well. KSET also similarly. UPSEE will be done based on JEE result. OJE also, Jack Delhi, Jack Chandigarh, and there is AEEE also that will be done, and IPU. All counseling except COMEDK and KSET, whatever I am providing you here information, will be done with JEE score as well, and I will be guiding you for all the colleges. No need to worry. Once you register, your complete guidance will be my responsibility, and until you get into the best possible college, because ultimately you will be choosing any one college. No matter you do 10 counseling, 15 counseling, but you will be getting the admission in any one college that should be best, and also in term of branch as well. Now if you talk about the college through class 12, so Shastra University is there, JP Noida, Anna University, Thapar, Manipal Jaipur, SRM University. These are the college that you can get based on your class 12 result also, that is direct admission without any examination. Now if you talk about the management quota colleges, if you want to pay more and get the seat, VIT is always there, RBC, MSRIT, BMSC, but be aware of the fraud. Many people will take the money just for fun and they will not provide you the admission. So try to get the information. I will not provide you management quota admission because I don't want to do that. First, you need to try with your result, whatever you have got, because with your merits you will be paying less. But if not possible, then surely you can go. I can guide you for that. But ultimately you will be taking the college directly to the college. No need to pay any fee to any other third person. Almost all college whatever I have provided, that is almost all college whatever I provided the counseling name, most of the college will be providing you the management quota because 10% seat are reserved for management quota. So every counseling you will be able to get, particularly in COMEDK counseling, whatever college are there, all will provide you management quota in WBJ as well, in MST CT as well. So if you want, you can contact them as well. SRM University is there through management quota, VIT Pune, DY Patil, MIT WPU, Symbiosis, Amrita, MUJ, Kalinga. There are lots of colleges where you can get to the money also, that is through management quota. Now if you talk about the safe rank for NIT college, so here I would like to provide you the very important information. Please try to listen my words. General 1.5 and 2 lakh also, that is male and female I am talking about. Up to this rank you can get to CSAB counseling, not in JOSA. You also know in JOSA you may not get up to that rank, but in CSAB you will be getting, and I will make sure once you register with my guidance. For EWS 30 and 33,000, that is I am talking about category rank. For OBC 40 and 45,000, SC 25 and 27,000, ST 20 and 22,000, PWD last. Obviously in CSAB counseling your CRL rank will be used, but you will get the benefit of your category. That's why I provide you category wise so that you can relate with you properly. Now if you talk about safe score for IIIT college, then for general 1 lakh, because here it is only CSE and EC branch available, hardly IT branch are there. In 2 of the IIIT college, mechanical and mechatronics branch are available. That's it. In an IT college there are lots of lower branch, that's why you are getting it very high rank. For EWS 20,000, OBC 30, SC 22, ST 14 and PWD you can get up to last rank as well. Now if you talk about for GFTI 2.5, 35, 60, 35 and 25, that is for general, EWS, OBC, SC, ST, the closing rank will be for this year for different type of GFTI college. Now if you talk about safe score for IIT, so for general 20 and 30,000, that is male, female, and EWS 3 and 3.2 thousand, OBC 6.5, 7.5, SC 3 and 3.5, ST 1 and 1.5, PWD if you are getting around 300 to 400 rank, you will able to get the IIT college. So this was the complete information regarding all type of college across India, what you can get based on JEE score, as well as direct admission through management quota admission, as well private college, government college, every type of college I have considered, NIT, IIIT, GFTI, IITs as well. So hope you find this information very useful for you. This will help you to choose the best college, and once you register with my guidance, I will be taking care of all the things that you should do in order to get into the best possible college. Thank you.